10 days of easy Asian recipe. Let's make Asian omelette. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl. 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1/4 of a teaspoon of monosodium glutamate. And just a little dash of white pepper. Combine and mix it all in.
On high heat, add oil to pan. Once your oil is hot, add in your minced garlic. With your spatula, give it a stir. Once it becomes fragrant, go ahead and add in your eggs. Wow! You'll notice that the edges of the omelet cooks fast, so you're gonna give it a scrape so that way it doesn't burn. Just like that. Now we're gonna be cooking in layers, so go ahead and give it a lift, just like that, and then tilt your pan. Lift and tilt your pan. It sounds like a workout, huh? Now we're gonna let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna give it a flip. You guys ready for this? Bam! Done, baby. Turn off the heat and dinner is served. Look at that, golden brown. Wow. Subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes.
Pepper is a must. Chili pepper. I like to eat mine with soy sauce. I have my sticky rice right here. I love eating this. This is so simple. The kids, they love to eat this. Very easy to make. As a child, my mom would make this into little sandwiches. Dip a little bit in soy sauce. Chili pepper. Put some soy sauce on my rice. Guys, this is so bomb. So freaking easy. Look how fluffy that is. Try this recipe. It would not disappoint. I know you guys will fall in love with this. Why, this is the first recipe that I learned how to make as a child.
If you guys are new to my channel, please support me by hitting that subscribe button. Follow for more.
That was saptastic.